I remember at this time here, what the trend was at that time was for artists to do a acapella and then bring in the rhythm and then start singing from there on the dubs.
But well, I know I want to tell you say, we cut a song one time where cut it acapella and cut it on rhythm. And you know, meet a sound. Well, the first time I heard that song, I heard a song named Lecture Force. The Richie Stephens. Can't fit the dance. Lecture Force play a man thing up there. It was the only song I could remember the whole night. Because that song get the biggest forward. A song named Buff.
Big song.
When that song dropped the night, of all the song I play, I couldn't remember nothing else Lecture Force play because the rest of them were relevant. But the one round them play Buff. I remember going to Bobby, one for the sound.
Bobby Chemist.
I'm saying, yo, the song they're wicked. And I'm saying, me produce it, man. I'm saying, yeah, I can't get it. And the man give me the 45. And I can't go to town. I think the first sound I tried was, if I can't recall, it's Metro. Mash the place and Sky was one coming. I say, yo, who that? Who that? I said, Richie Stephens. Besides, a while more sang upon dub for fire Richie Stephens. It was my idea to cut it a cappella and pan a rhythm. Not knowing to make a box Silver Arc. We Steele himself, I got to take the mic and say, any song you're playing tonight, and me build the rhythm. You can't play nothing away and me build the rhythm. Them time there, I Steele, I make the baddest rhythm them. So,
yeah.
The clash get heated at the time. The clash was in Ascott Lawn. Ram dance to again in the Silver Arc. I forced Mr. Steele come hold mic, you know. When Steele walk in night, he walk 3 crowd that dubplate box up my man, so you know, the whole place a mash up, you know. I mean, they play at the time, you know. I just see the crowd go wild and I wonder what I go on. I look at Steele, I say I come through with a box of dubplate and the crowd see him and the place a mash up. I said, yeah, serious, I know one man come to the mic and say, yo, people, in a stick can't play no song in here tonight. And no rhythm when I Steele build it. I said, yeah. The place mash up. And the clash I go on until I think it reached down to 1 for 1. Because I know them time the Silver Arc love call 1 for 1 because them full of tune. If I juggling them can't manage it. And at the time was a juggling sound. Was really a clash sound, you know. But we cut with up them, we're prepared for anything. So when we are juggle, you know, you're a certain intro. We just a juggle and tune and run on people. But when I war, them dead there. So I remember that night, you know, see him buff baffle. I think I first steal a year too. First time I heard it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I want the history. I'm going to reach a point now where you make him talk and go on. I say, people remember I talk with Steely make earlier when he walk in. Say, any song, me playing that tonight. I met the rhythm. I can't play no song in there when I met the rhythm. Well, Steely just dead. Gun salute for the talk, you know, because the place get wild. I say, what kind of talk that? I go and drop the Richie Stephens. Acapella. Ascott Lawn fence drop down and I'm say Steele, who make you rhythm now?
Yeah.
I'm wait for your rhythm, you know. I say, who make you rhythm now? I know the rhythm can't come in, you know. I say, who make you rhythm now?
Yeah.
We say every time Richie Stephens say buff. Ash a gunshot. Now Ascott Lawn fence drop down. Steele look for the night and pipe him again and say, yo. Steely take himself immediately because there was no comeback. And you don't make a big speech, you know. Beat all the chest, you know. Stand up on record box, you know. I drop the acapella, a hot tune, you know. You never realize the song is so hot.
Yeah.
I tell you, say, are the biggest forward the whole night. The biggest forward. When gun salute start, me caught me ears. After Christmas. I say, tell me how make you ready me now. Because you know him coming out now. After them days, you know, say you have to use sights.
But that's what it is, because you're saying, okay, there's no rhythm, because you might even play the Richie Stephens on the rhythm and he might have built that rhythm. So okay, watch. Acapella. You tell me the name of the rhythm now. What's the name of this rhythm? Crazy.
The rhythm I made cut it pan. I him build rhythm. I say, I put on rhythm, me have the tune pan itself, you know. I cut it acapella too. So. Me play it pan the put on and I'm dead. I still build that. At them time there, the hot rhythm was put on the duck. All the hot rhythm them time there, I steal it. Build them. I say, where you go a jam is, where you go a Bobby, I steal it. So them time they have to think.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.